So I want to show you some maintenance you can do on the back end, the nozzle and trim ring on your SeaDoo. This is a 951 XP Limited, and in here we've got a bushing and a bolt. We've got one down here, one over here, and then one underneath as well. This is called your trim ring. It's where your VTS trim rod is connected. Over time, these wear out. I just replaced ones that were 20 years old. This is a 99. And I'm going to show you what it was like, how much play was in it. So I'm just going to shake this around and just show you how much play is in there. You can see that bolt moving up. It's getting close here. So you can see how much that's moving around. This one as well. They're all doing that. They have worn down over the years. So this is definitely something that is going to cause a lot of movement in the nozzle, as you can see. So this is the old one at about 12.5 millimeters. Okay, and then this one here is at 13 millimeters. This is the new one, and that 0.5 millimeter makes a huge difference. So these are my old ones out. Just gonna hold it up here so you can kind of see. You know, there is a lot of play in there. I'm moving around. These bolts you can get through SeaDoo, but they're really expensive. These are just an M8 by 10, so you can source these locally as well. That's what I did here. This part you can get through SeaDoo, which is going to be this part right here. Here's a close-up of the after. You can see there's like next to no play. So this is definitely something you can do. It really tightens everything up. I still have a little bit of play in the steering, but the VTS doesn't move near as much. In addition to that, I also put this VTS rod, this solid VTS rod. You can get these on eBay. I got another video about that. Replaced the ball joint for my steering, and then ball joint up there for the VTS as well. So those three things will really make your ski handle a lot better. I was actually shocked at how much this really did. This is definitely just some maintenance you want to do. Just replace those parts out, and surprisingly, that 0.5 millimeter really made a big difference.